Welcome back to the Dream Home Studio. Today, I'm taking you through an incredible kitchen transformation from dark, dated, and heavy to light, bright, and full of character. So, this is where we started: cherry wood cabinets, dark countertops, and a layout that felt closed off. Yes, it had storage, but it lacked personality and warmth. And here is the after: a completely reimagined kitchen that feels modern, airy, and inviting. So we painted the cabinets a crisp white to instantly brighten the space. Quartz countertop add a sleek, timeless touch, and just look at this backsplash. Very calming layers of blue that bring texture and life. To warm up the design, we wrapped the island in natural wood accent and added a stone detail on the side. The brass faucet and hardware, the perfect dash of luxury. So finally, we swapped the old lighting for these unique pendant lights, giving the space charm, style, and function. So this kitchen isn't just a place to cook anymore. It's a space to gather, create memories, and feel inspired every day. So would you love to cook here? And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more dream home transformation. Bye for now.